they have terms that allow you to monetize your music. Now, if you have been making videos for a while, this should be relatively easy. Hi guys, my name is Julia, and I'm a film composer who turned my music into a 6-figure passive income stream that makes me money while I sleep. And today, I'm going to show you one way how without being a musician, you can add music that generates money for you into the content that you already have. So let's dive in. I'm going to divide this video into 4 easy steps that you can follow to get this done quickly and hopefully painlessly. First, you're going to sign up for an AI music generator. And right now there's so many options out there. I don't think you guys are gonna have any problems finding one, but if you do, I'm going to put some links in the description. Feel free to click on them, check them out. Just to name a few, there's LALAL.AI, SOUNDRAW, SOUNDVERSE, and my personal favorite, Ava, which was started by my friend Pierre. About 7 years ago, I got the chance to be a beta tester for that, so I really like that one. Now, a couple of important considerations when choosing your music generator is the following. Number 1, it specializes in the kind of music that you would like to create for your videos. Number 2 is that they have terms that allow you to monetize and collect music royalties from the music you have generated. Now, if you want me to make a video that goes over the terms of each one of these generators, please leave a comment below and I can definitely make a video about that if that helps at all. Step number 2, you're going to add the music you have created to your content. Now, if you have been making videos for a while, this should be relatively easy and a no-brainer, but if you have been using a service that automatically adds music to your videos or doesn't have an option to use external music in your videos, I can also make a video explaining what tools you can use to make that happen and how you can add the music properly to your content. And if this is something that you guys are interested in, please leave me a comment. Step number 3. Next, you're going to sign up for an online music distribution platform. Now, there's a few of them. I am going to add links in the description so you can easily find and choose the one that sounds the most appealing to you. They essentially do more or less the same thing. Just to name a few, there's DistroKid, there's CD Baby, UNCHAINED Music, TuneCore. Now this might be the most time-consuming and potentially most difficult step out of all of this. A lot of these companies already have videos on YouTube that you can check out where they explain step-by-step how to use them. But if you still have problems, feel free to shoot me an email. I can have somebody from my team reach out to you guys and help you troubleshoot or kind of walk you step by step and make sure that your music gets distributed properly. Now, what this will do is this will publish your music to a whole bunch of different places. We don't need all of that for now, but the important part is that this will give you access to advanced tracking systems, like for example, the audio part of your YouTube content ID. Now, if you don't know anything about this and these words sound scary to you, don't worry. A lot of this stuff is streamlined and automatically done for you. What's important is that the music platforms are going to pay your distributor, and then your distributor is going to pay music royalties to you. Now, there's multiple other ways you can collect your royalties that I'm not going to have time to get into in this video. But if you are interested in exploring this subject further, please leave me a comment and I can make another short video, and I am going to walk you through every single tool you can have to start generating music royalties from the music that you control. Thank you guys. I hope this was helpful. And if you have Any questions, please reach out to me.